Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to write a cover letter using Chatgpt. If you are someone who's always struggled with crafting the perfect cover letter, then stay tuned because we've got you covered. Step 1. The introduction is your chance to make a great first impression on your potential employer. Begin by introducing yourself and stating the position you are applying for. Here is an example. Dear hiring manager, my name is John Doe, and I'm excited to apply to the marketing manager position at XYZ company. I'm a seasoned marketing professional with over 5 years of experience in the field, and I believe my skills and experience make me an excellent fit for the role. Step 2. Highlight your skills and experience in this step. You want to highlight your relevant skills and experience that makes you a strong candidate for the job. Use specific examples and metrics wherever possible. Here is an example. In my current role as a marketing coordinator at EBC company, I have successfully implemented several marketing campaigns that have resulted in a 25% increase website traffic and a 20% increase in leads generated. I'm confident that my experience in developing and executing successful marketing strategies, coupled with my strong analytical and project management skills, makes me a strong candidate for the marketing manager position at XYZ company. Step 3. Demonstrate your knowledge of the company. In this step, you want to demonstrate that you have done your research on the company and understand its mission, values, and culture. This shows that you are genuinely interested in working for the company and that you would be a good fit for its culture. Here is an example. I'm impressed by XYZ company's commitment to using sustainable materials in its products and its dedication to reducing its carbon footprint. I share these values and would be proud to work for a company that is making a positive impact on the environment. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to XYZ company's continued success. Step 4. Close up with a strong call to action. The closing is your chance to leave a lasting impression on the hiring manager. You want to reiterate your interest in the position and thank the hiring manager for their time and consideration. Here is an example. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss my qualifications further and to learn more about the marketing manager position at XYZ company. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you require any further information or to schedule an interview. I appreciate your time and consideration, and that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to write a cover letter using Chatgpt. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Good luck with your job search, and we will see you soon.